Hello everyone, welcome again to another video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can share, publish and collaborate to your Google Docs. And let's get started with creating a new Google Docs. So instead of creating a completely new one, I will take from a template because this time I'm going to show you sharing, publishing and collaborating. So from the template, I'm choosing this privacy policy template, and this one, let's say you have done it, you personally wrote it, and this is already done, and you'd like it to share with people, and also you want it to be saved in particular way because this is your work. So if it's already done in Google Docs, it's already saved in your cloud. So you just, wherever you go, you will find it once you just get entered in your Google Docs online, and in your folder it is already saved. But let's say you wanna email it to someone, so you just have to go on the left side. There is a file option. From here you can see email this file. Once you press it, you just have to write down who you would like to send it to, give the email address, and subject line it has already taken from that that file name, but maybe you can change here the subject line to important, and you'd like someone to see the send a message with this file as well. Maybe the message can be urgent. So you have sent subject line important, message is urgent, so someone might see and immediately start reading this. And here you can see the file option, it is already in PDF. So usually we send the things in PDF or in Microsoft Word, but you can send it also in rich text, open document, HTML and plain text as well. But we just want to send it to PDF. So once your email is ready, and there is a subject, there is a message, and then you just press this send button and it's gone. But also you can send yourself a copy as well. That means you will get a copy in your email box as well. And don't attach include content in the email. So if you don't want to attach, nothing will be sent. But usually this is not the case because you want that document to be sent. Here, so now we again back to our dashboard. Here again you can download it in Microsoft Word, you can download in PDF, and you can download in different format. So let's say we would like to download it in PDF, and once I place it, you can see it is PDF file with privacy policy. Where you want to download it, let's say you want to download it in desktop with the privacy policy name, or you can choose different name as well. The moment you press the save button, it will be saved in your desktop. Now we want to move it. You can move it in another folder within your Google Drive. So once you press the move in, you can create a new folder, and you can also move it to the another folder as well. I don't have a folder yet, that's why you don't see it. There is another option, you can publish it to the web. So the moment you publish the web, if you press the publish, then the drive is asking you to, are you sure that it is going to be published on the web, because it's gonna be public, everybody can see it. And the moment you press OK, you get that link. Now it's already published online, and you can actually take that link and go to the browser, paste it, and you can see it is online. and whoever you would like it to be seen, you can send this link to that person, and they will paste it, and they will see your document online. And finally, you can share this document to any specific person by pressing this share button on the right side, and here you just write the email of that particular person, and once you get the email of that particular person, and again you can send a message here, and then on the right side you can see there's options what kind of entry you'd like to give to that person. Can he edit, or just a commenter, or just a viewer? So if you just would like to keep your document intact, you can give access to as a viewer, so the person you're sending it to can see it only as a viewer, and that person can read and comment only, not editing. And as an editor, that means you are giving the full authority that he or she can write and change everything, even delete that file as well. And the moment you send it, it will be gone to that person, and she gets the entry to your document. So thank you very much for today.